Welcome to today's class on vector analysis. Today we discuss problems on integration of vector valued functions. First we do initial value problems for vector valued functions. So we do problem number 27. Remaining problems are homework for you. So given that dr by dt equal to minus ti minus tj minus tk, and initial condition r of 0 equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. We have to find r of t. Take this as equation 1. From 1, r of t equal to integral minus ti minus tj minus tk dt. That is equal to integral minus t dt I plus minus integral t dt j plus minus integral t dt k. So this is equal to minus t square by 2 plus c1i plus minus t square by 2 plus c2j plus minus t square by 2 plus c3k. So this is equal to minus t square by 2 I minus t square by 2 j minus t square by 2 k plus c1i plus c2j plus c3k. This is equal to minus t square by 2 into I plus j plus k plus c1i plus c2j plus c3k. Given that r of 0 equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. So from this equation, take this as equation 2. Therefore from 2, r of 0 equal to 0 into I plus j plus k plus c1i plus c2j plus c3k. This implies r of 0 equal to c1i plus c2j plus c3k. This implies, and you know r of 0 is I plus 2j plus 3k. So this is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Therefore c equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Therefore r of t equal to minus t square by 2 I minus t square by 2 j minus t square by 2 k plus I plus 2j plus 3k. Equal to minus t square by 2 plus 1 I plus minus t square by 2 plus 2 j plus minus t square by 2 plus 3 k. So this is r of t. So this is the solution of the initial value problem 27. Now we solve the initial value problem 32, and you can do 31 similarly. So we have d square r by dt square is equal to minus I plus j plus k. We have to find r of t. So therefore dr by dt equal to integral minus I plus j plus k dt. This is equal to minus integral 1 dt I plus integral 1 dt j plus integral 1 dt k. So that is equal to minus of t plus c1 I plus t plus c2 j plus t plus c3 k. So this is equal to minus t into I plus j plus k minus c1i minus c2j minus c3k. Given that dr of 0 by dt equal to vector 0. From this, therefore, if you take this as equation 1, from 1 dr of t by dt at t equal to 0 equal to 0 into I plus j plus k minus c1i plus c2j plus c3k, that is equal to 0, vector 0. This implies, therefore from 1 dr of t divided by dt at t equal to 0 equal to 0 into I plus j plus k plus minus c1i minus c2j minus c3k. This is equal to 0 by 1. So from this implies c1i plus c2j plus c3k equal to 0, vector 0. Therefore dr by dt equal to minus t into, from 1 you will get minus t into I plus j plus k plus vector 0. So that is equal to minus ti minus tj minus tk. So this implies r of t equal to integral minus ti minus tj minus tk dt. So this is equal to minus t square by 2 plus c1i minus plus minus t square by 2 plus c2j plus minus t square by 2 plus c3k. Take this as equation 2. Now, given that r of 0 is 10i plus 10j plus 10k, given r of 0 equal to 10i plus 10j plus 10k, therefore from 2 r of 0 equal to c1i plus c2j plus c3k. So substituting t equal to 0 here, so we'll get this as c1i, c2j and c3k plus, so that is equal to 10i plus 10j plus 10k. So our constant vector is 10i plus 10j plus 10k. Therefore from 2 r of t equal to minus t square by 2 plus 10I plus minus t square by 2 plus 10j plus minus t square by 2 plus 10k. This is the solution. Similarly, you can do problem number 31. We do problem number 33. So here we have to find the tangent to the curve r of t is equal to sin ti plus t square minus cos tj plus e raised to tk at t naught equal to 0. So we have, if v equal to v1i plus v2j plus v3k is parallel to the line L, and p naught, x naught, y naught, z naught is a point on the line, then x is equal to x naught plus v1t, y equal to y naught plus v2t, z equal to z naught plus v3t is the parametric equation of the line L. So here we have to find the tangent to the curve. So suppose that this is the curve, and suppose that this is the point P naught at a time t equal to t naught. Suppose that this is the direction of the curve. Now, so we know that at a time t equal to t naught, the velocity vector is thus one. So it is in the direction of the tangent. So if you have, this is the tangent line L, then the velocity vector will be in the direction of L. So you know that it is dr by dt. So we are going to use this idea. So we have v equal to dr by dt at t equal to t naught is tangential to the curve r of p. Therefore, v is parallel to the tangent at t equal to t naught. Since p naught is a point on r of t at time t equal to t naught, that is equal to 0. T equal to t naught, we have p naught equal to sin t naught, from this sin t naught minus t naught square minus cos t naught e raised to t naught. So this is the point p naught. Now since t naught equal to 0, p naught is the point sin 0, 0 minus cos 0, e raised to 0. So this is 0 minus 1, 1. This is our p naught. Now you have to find v. So we have r of t equal to sin ti plus t square minus cos t j plus e raised to tk. Therefore, v equal to dr by dt. V at t equal to 0, t equal to t naught is dr by dt at t equal to 0. This is equal to cos t I plus 2t minus 2t plus sin t j plus e raised to tk at t equal to 0. So this is equal to cos 0 I plus 2 into 0 plus sine 0 j plus e raised to 0 k is equal to I cos 0 is 1 I plus 0 j plus 1 k. So our vector v is I plus k. The fourth parametric equation of the tangent is tangent at time t equal to t naught, that is equal to 0 here, is x is equal to x of t equal to x naught plus, here x naught is 0, 0 plus v1 t. v1 is, so from this you will get v1 equal to 1, v2 equal to 0, v3 equal to 1. So v1 t, so that is t, y of t equal to minus 1 plus 0 t, and z of t equal to 1 plus t, minus infinity less than t less than infinity. That is x of t equal to t, y of t is minus 1 and z of t is 1 plus t. We can verify this using GeoGebra. So our curve was x is equal to sin t, y is equal to t square minus cos t, z is equal to e raised to t. So that is this curve. You can see this. So this is the given curve, and you have p naught is 0 minus 1 1, so that is the point at the time t equal to 0 0, and you have the velocity vector at a time t equal to 0 is 1 0 1, so that is I plus k. So you can see that this is the vector. So you know that it is tangential to the curve at A. To draw the line, x is equal to 0 plus t, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1 plus t. So for this you consider, so this is the tangent line to the curve. So this is what we have done. So that's all for the day. Have a nice day.